Hello, my name is Keegan Vorhees,
My name's Anthony Mui.
and this is our project for the RHAT Thornbots website. So at the top here we have the link to the website, and so the RHAT Thornbots needed a website to be able to show employers what they're working on, and they also needed a system to keep track of the inventory, and that system needed to support checking items in and out of the inventory. So first we're going to navigate through the website as an employer might. So here we have the home page where you scroll down, you can see a bit about the team. And so yeah, we have all this and the contact information on the screen. Next we have a competition page which talks a bit about the competition. There's a video over here to the side. And next we have the About Us, which displays some of the users from Firebase that are on the team, with shows their position, their name, and a quick bio about themselves. Next we have Support Us for sponsors, then contact page if you want to get into contact with the RHAT Thornbots. So next we're going to switch to mobile mode, and we're going to log in and see how. So next we're going to log in or create an account. So we're going to register. Let's register example at robomasters.com. Password. Click register. It'll sign us in. So now we're logged into our account. So now we have our mobile menu. We have all the same items as before. Next we can all these buttons are still the same, except now we have a inventory and account button. So first we're going to go to account to customize our account. So first we can upload an image. So I just selected an image from my file explorer, and that's our new profile. And we want to give ourselves a username so we can be tracked later. John Doe. And for our bio, we're going to say I am a member of the RoboMasters programming team. Then we're going to say we're a lead programmer. We're going to save that off. Now it's saved. And so that this is saved to our account now. And if we wanted to, we can go to our inventory system. So I'm going to show off our CRUD operations in inventory. So first, if we want to add an item to inventory, we click down here, just type in name. So if we wanted to add a rubber band to the inventory, we could do that. Now it's added. So then if we want to find the rubber band, we search up rubber band, and then we have a whole list full of items. You can scroll through this horizontally. So there are 4 rubber bands in inventory right now, including the one we just added. The first one we have was checked out today by another account I have, but we have 3 more rubber bands. So if we wanted to edit one of them, we could edit this one, and if we want to change the name to like a large rubber band, now that's edited, and refresh our query. So if we want to find that, we can go large rubber band. So now we have 2 of the, well, there was one in here before, now we have 2 of them since we added another one, or changed the name of an old one to this. Then if we want to delete that rubber band I just changed, we click delete, and it will delete that. So now we just have 1 rubber band that we had before. So then if we wanted to check out one of the rubber bands we had, we would go in here go over here and click checkout. And now it says that rubber band is checked out to John Doe. And then if we want to check that back in, we can click this button. So say you want to return the rubber band. Yes, I'm sure. And now it's returned. So then next we're going to log into the admin account and show you how to add a member to the About Us. So if we're going to log in, if we log in under rhatrobo@gmail and type in our password. Enter, and then go to the About Us. See, now we have an edit button. It'll bring up a list of members. So if we find John Doe, save that. And then upon a refresh, we now have John Doe in our About Us page, where then we can read their name, their role, and their bio. So next we're going to talk about our technical feature. So we're going to navigate on over to our competition page. We're going to talk about how we implemented our Tailwind CSS. So we're going to go into our inspect page, and we're going to talk about this text we have here. So if we go to select an element. So for Tailwind, what you do is you just add a bunch of classes to an element that they have defined. So for example, we when the screen is large, we set the text align to the left. Then by default, text is set to 3XL. But if the screen's a large screen, it gets set to a larger font. We set the text color to white, the font bold, the background body color, the margins and all that. It's just all Tailwind. And so we have more details about that in our technical document. So thank you for watching our video over our RoboMasters app, and we hope you enjoy checking out what we have to offer.